Hey there, I'm Amber from Test Gorilla. How do you maximize value? The answer? By hiring an experienced product owner for your Scrum team. Scrum is one of the most widely adopted frameworks for helping teams and companies improve their workflow. And the product owner's job is to understand user needs and maximize the value of the product being developed. That makes it one of the most important roles in a Scrum team. And with Test Gorilla's product owner test, you'll be able to find out which candidates are skilled and experienced in this vital role. You can add this test to your next assessment right from our test library. Just search for it there, hit that add button, and boom, you'll all be set. But right now, we're going to check out a quick overview of this test so you can get a better idea of what we test for and how it all works. Let's jump in. This test helps you identify experienced product owners who can manage product development efficiently on a Scrum team. It evaluates a candidate's skills in applying the Scrum framework, managing product requirements, delivering the product, and using best practices for product ownership. The questions use real-life scenarios that deal with common issues candidates will have to solve in their role as product owner. Applicants who score well on this test will have a strong grasp of the Scrum framework and the tools and practices needed to manage the product backlog. They'll be able to manage product needs efficiently to maximize value for each project. Now, we're going to take a look at a few sample questions to get a better idea of how we test for these skills. The first sample question presents a scenario where the candidate is the product owner on a Scrum team. Right before the team's sprint review, they're notified that a key stakeholder won't be able to make it to the meeting. Candidates have to decide the best way to proceed. These kinds of situations are pretty common, so it's really important that candidates know what to do here. Let's see what the answer is for this first one. The next sample question presents another scenario. This one is about optimizing the user experience of a product by using data gathered from end users. The third sample question scenario is about choosing the optimal team for a forthcoming project. And the final sample question here is true or false. It presents a scenario where the developers on a Scrum team make a decision after an extensive discussion about an important issue. Clearly, not all team members here agree with the decision, and candidates have to decide whether or not the right call was made. What about you? Do you know the right call here? Go ahead and take a moment to read the scenario and decide for yourself whether this one is true or false. All right, now let's see what the answer is. And that's a quick look at our product owner test for Scrum teams. Those sample questions should give you a pretty good idea of what your candidates will see on the actual test. Make sure to check out this test in our test library if you want to add it to your next assessment.